Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're expanding internationally or simply need your deals and reports to reflect the right currency for your business, adjusting the setting ensures your financial data displays accurately across your entire account. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has admin permissions, as currency settings are typically restricted to administrators who can modify account-wide configurations. After signing in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon. It typically looks like a gear or cog. Click on this icon to access your account's configuration options. This is where all the important backend settings live that control how your CRM functions. Once you're in the settings area, look to the left sidebar where you'll see a menu of various options. Find and click on Account Defaults. Depending on your HubSpot layout or subscription level, this might be nested under Account Settings first, then Account Defaults. This section houses the fundamental settings that apply across your entire HubSpot account, including regional and financial preferences. Within Account Defaults, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Currency tab to open up your currency options. This is where HubSpot manages all currency-related settings for deals, quotes, and financial reporting. You'll likely see your currently active currency listed here. Now locate the currency you want to change. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see an Edit button appear, or in some versions, a 3 dots menu that reveals the Edit option. Click on Edit to open the currency picker. This tool allows you to select from a comprehensive list of global currencies that HubSpot supports. From the currency picker that appears, scroll through or search for the new currency you want to apply to your account. Select it by clicking on your choice. This will update how amounts are displayed throughout your CRM, affecting deals, products, and reports. Finally, click Save to apply the new currency setting to your account. HubSpot will now use this currency as the default for all financial calculations and displays moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.